Hi everyone, it's Nelda. How are you today? I hope you are all happy, safe, and in good health. This video is going to be really short. I just want to share with you one of my favorite tools. It's one of my favorite tools because I use it a lot. It helps me organize my things, my supplies. I use it when I journal, when I scrapbook, when I make tags. So it is very useful, and it is the Dymo Organizer Express. I love this product. I find this very user-friendly, and again, it helps me organize my stuff. So as you can see, I have here some of my supplies, and they are all labeled using the Dymo. I use mostly the black label, but they do come in different colors. So this is the 3/8" black embossing label. And when you get the Dymo, it already comes with a black embossing label. So this is great for organizing cupboard or craft supplies. Again, it's very user-friendly. So there is a wheel that you just turn, and it's very easy to turn. And it has 49 characters. So you just choose your desired character, and there's a little window here. You can see that. And you firmly squeeze this handle once the desired character is selected, and it will emboss your character just like that. So it's very easy to use. So if you like organizing your stuff, this is a good investment. There's a space symbol, and it allows you to advance the tape. And then there is the scissors symbol. So this will cut your tape. And again, there are 49 different characters. So there, it's pretty simple to use. And this is where you load the tape. I have a few more left here. And it's so easy to open and close. So all my jewelry making supplies are labeled. So these are just a few. And then my little notebook that I carry everywhere. Yep, I have my name there. And then I also have some tags that have the Dymo labels too. Okay, so let's make something. Let me see. Okay. So that's I. And then space. A. M. And I think I'm gonna do a space, so I'll cut the phrase. And yes, I'll do a space. And then scissors. So just hold it tight, and there you go. And so let's put it aside, and we'll do blessed. B L, yeah, and S, another S, and E, D. There you go. And then we'll choose the space and cut. So scissors and then hold. There you go. So I am blessed. So I will put this on a journal signature that I am finishing, this one. So let's see. Probably here. Yeah, that's okay. Or I think I want it down, so below. Probably like that. Yeah, I think this looks better. Okay, so then just take off the backing. And we'll stick it here. And then again, take off the backing and stick it. There you go. I am blessed. Yeah, so it's great for scrapbooking and journaling. Okay, so there it is. I love this thing. It's a great label maker. And it's my only label maker so far. I got this from Amazon, but it is also available in Staples. So this is what I have for you today. If you have any question, just leave me a comment down below. I just cannot remember the price, but I don't think this is expensive. It's a good investment. Before I go, I would like to again say that there is the 1,000 subscribers giveaway that is still open, and the drawing will be on the 23rd. That's a Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will provide the link of that video on the description below if you haven't joined yet. So thank you again for watching this video, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. And I'd like to say hello to Aisha, hello to James, and hello to Janet, and of course hello to all of you. Take care, be safe, God bless you. Bye now.